Pakistan's Army Chief, Field Marshal Asim Munir, is meeting the US President Donald Trump. They are meeting over lunch. Recently, we have seen US has been repeatedly acknowledging Pakistan's role in counter-terrorism and the cooperation between the two countries. How do you see this meeting in terms of Pakistan-US relations?
Measured in many ways, including some of the discussions that have already taken place about rare minerals and cryptocurrency and preliminary trade discussions, but all of it has led to the fact that there is apparently a better meeting of the minds here. Now, the recent development here with Iran potentially may complicate this. Pakistan's initial response was strong, but it did not come, as I'm aware, it did not come from the military or from the highest elements of the Pakistan government. Yes, the defense minister did make a strong statement, but he usually makes strong statements. So I think that may be just a blimp here. The main story is that Munir is here. He's speaking. Now, unfortunately, I could get a reading on that. I may be part of a group that meets him later today, the Field Marshal. But so we can only guess what he's going to say now, earlier in this meeting with the president. But undoubtedly, the usual topics will come up. Essentially, though, I think what the meeting means here is that the United States views the Field Marshal as the leader of Pakistan. I think that seems very clear here. He's the go-to man, just as military commanders.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।